James Stewart or Cary Grant? That's an interesting one.
What?
James Stewart or Cary Grant?
I prefer James Stewart because I felt that he had much more depth to it. Cary Grant was caught in his own image. So Cary Grant always was glib. He always was kind of had this wit about him which went on. It was almost like a prototype for the future mainstream hero. Like in buddy cop movies or wherever you see them, that's like constantly the one talkative types. So I always like James Stewart much more. There's a kind of a depth to him. Like a James Stewart from Rope is very different from a James Stewart from Rear Window.
Somebody mentioned M. Night Shyamalan. Again, if you look at the legacy of...
Yeah, M. Night Shyamalan had that Hitchcockian thing in him. Like his Sixth Sense, Unbreakable, even like his whole film of, like even when you see a film like Village, which probably nobody talks about, the way it kind of unravels in the end, he had that thing, but he had a bigger twist in the end than, like his twist in the end was very kind of a surreal.
Panch, I thought it was more Danny Boyle, but somebody is wondering if you would talk about that in... I thought it was
Panch was not at all nothing to do with Hitchcockian. It was more Shallow Grave.
Shallow Grave. Yes.
Yeah. It was more Shallow Grave. It was more influenced by so many other things, including fun, including I don't know what all. Even though I picked up real stories, but it was more impacted by, like, it was very half-hearted khichdi of lots of influences probably that I had. I was still finding my way. I'm still finding my way, actually.
People want to know about Gangs of Wasseypur 3.
There's no such thing as Gangs of Wasseypur 3. It doesn't exist.
So
Gangs of Wasseypur 3 is like me making 100 crore movie. It doesn't exist.
Sir, you are the Indian version of Tarantino.
I dismiss those things.
Tarantino or Paul Thomas Anderson? Which one would you choose?
Paul Thomas Anderson any day. My favorite film of this last many years is There Will Be Blood. It doesn't mean that I put down Tarantino. I love Tarantino, but Paul Thomas Anderson for me is, he does things that I am awed by. Really awed by.
Rosella Stephen, who was our editor at the Hindu Weekend, wants you to show her the malt collection.
What?
The malt collection, single malt collection that you have.
I have a lot. What do you want me to show it here? I can't.
She wants to see it.
Right now, this is my drink right now. It's a Tasmanian whiskey, and it's really fantastic. And I get it from Australia.
I hope, Rose, you are happy with this. Christian Bale or Leonardo DiCaprio?
ये किस तरह के क्वेश्चन है? I don't like to answer these questions. I don't like to choose. I really don't like to choose because I like filmmakers and I like their whole body of work. I see their whole body of work. I see a filmmaker and I want to discover them. And it's not about who's better than that. You can't compare. It's like if 5 filmmakers were making the same film on the same subject with the same actors, then you can compare which is a better filmmaker. It's like 5 people running a 100 meters race. But there are people, one guy is swimming and one guy is running a marathon and one guy is pole vaulting and you're comparing who's a better athlete. I can't do that. So.
Another one, very generalized question about Malayalam films.
I love regional cinema in India much more than Hindi cinema. And I envy that. Sometimes I really feel that I need to learn languages so that I can make films in different languages. I'm trying to make films in Europe now, which will start soon now. I don't know, in the sense, I feel like I can do so much more in Tamil when I want to make a rural cinema, or so much more in Malayalam than I can do in Hindi. Because here everything is so defined as in what works and what doesn't work. And it's also so controlled by the trade that they want a certain kind of it's all based on things that does not let me be as a filmmaker. So that's why I prefer Netflix to make film for there, because I'll have much more. I can make much more my film than for that than for stream.
So streaming is the way out for you, is it?
No, streaming. I'm going to make films in different languages outside, but in the sense it's difficult in Hindi. Hindi is a mainstream language, like Hollywood is a mainstream language. So Malayalam, I love discovering films from South, and I love watching them. I've just lined up Trance and one more film. The two films I've lined up. A Hit from Telugu, HIT.
Post COVID, will cinema business remain the same?
1 minute. My screening room, somebody started a screening. Anyway, what post?
Post COVID, after we go past it, does the filmmaking business how much do we remain the same?
Yeah, I'm really not. I'm not Nostradamus, and I really do not. I don't sit and spend my time thinking what will I do when this happens and that happens. I'm in the moment. I'm saying I like to make movies and I'll keep making movies. You watch it on Netflix or on your mobile phone or in your dreams. Maybe one day we'll find a way to show you a movie in your dreams, but I don't know. For me, I enjoy making movies and I'll continue doing that. I'll find a way to make movies regardless. Whatever the situation and circumstances, if I survive.
Yeah, I think we have gone on and on quite a bit, and
Yeah.
should be calling so much, Anurag, for taking time out.
I can't hear you.
I'm saying thanks so much for
Thank you
taking
so
time.
much. Thank you so much.
We have gone well past the time limit, and maybe we'll have you another day for another round of questions.
Okay.
Maybe Fritz
Okay.
Lang, watching his films. Huh?
Okay, cool. After Fritz Lang, yeah, we can do that.
Yeah?
After Fritz Lang, yeah, we can do another session. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks so much. Enjoy your drink, and we'll catch up again later. Thanks so very much. And thanks everybody else for joining us.
Okay.
Thank you.